Today, this afternoon, I'm going to tell you about the workshop series results that we have had last year, 2022, in Finland. So, regards from Finland also. Perhaps you know that tunneling BIM and infra BIM concepts, they are developing very rapidly at this moment, but actually mining BIM doesn't exist. There is a huge research gap in that topic. I was spending last week time in the World Mining Congress in Australia, and I tried to interview as many people, mining professionals as possible there, and ask them their opinions about the BIM concept in mining, but there was also a huge gap in that no professional in mining sector actually knows what is BIM and how it could be related into mining sector. So, a little bit about the speaker himself. I have spent more than 25 years in the Finnish mining industry, working in numerous different positions from mine planning into mine management. And right now I'm preparing my PhD work in the University of Oulu. And the topics of my dissertation work is, of course, mine automation, mine information management, and information modeling. Sorry. So, with the ever-increasing complexity of different industries and the need for efficient and sustainable practices, information modeling has emerged as a crucial tool to streamline operations, enhance safety, and optimize productivity. All this could be applied into mining sector as well. But in mining sector, there has always been an inability to recognize the value of all the available information in different parts of the production and processing chain. All relevant information collected from the mining process lays the foundation for the mine's decision-making process. The process of mining raw data and transforming it into actionable insights is a vital component of the modern mining industry. By effectively acquiring, processing, and analyzing data, mining companies can gain valuable insights that drive target and value setting. And then some recap from BIM technology development and how it relates to mining BIM. One of the great advantages of MIM conceptualization is an open digital model-based operating environment and ecosystem that enables the efficient use of semi-automated, automatic, and autonomous machines and swarms of machines. And also, as a reminder, a quick overview of the key elements of BIM. So, open BIM concept requires following three tools. And the topic of my presentation, these results from the workshop series, is of course this modeling guidelines. Modeling guidelines, they tell the designers what and how to model. Information classification defines the common language on which modeling is based on. And of course, last but not least, common and standard data transfer formats make work machines in the field and computers in the offices to talk with central IT systems. And then to the results of the workshop series. Last year in 2022, the University of Oulu organized a series of 6 workshops to examine the willingness and absorption capacity of the Finnish mining and tunnel excavation industry to BIM topics and to start developing the idea of the MIM concept further. As you can see, we had 6 different workshops. 84 companies were invited into those workshops and 54 of them participated. So we got a very large variety of different opinions. Altogether, 235 people were invited and 107 of them participated. The workshop topics were following: to define the starting level of BIM expertise of people working in the mining and tunneling sector in Finland, spark conversation about MIM's needs and goals, and finally clarify the opportunities, capabilities and general will to start preparing steps towards the development of the MIM concept. And then the results are here in the short form, and in the paper they are in a little bit wider form. But during the workshop series, before, during and after each workshop, participants were asked several questions in written form. And the main categories for these questions were always like these 3. How well could BIM concept be suitable for mining sector? What kind of capabilities there are now for BIM and MIM implementation, and what are the expectations for MIM development? This graph is then developed by the author, and it describes the results and the suggestions that the participants gave during the workshop series. Industrial cooperation is very critical because the technical challenges are extensive and outside the scope of a single entity to be solved. To fully realize the benefits of information modeling in tunneling and mining, it is crucial to establish comprehensive guidelines and standards tailored to this sector's unique challenges. These guidelines should encompass data requirements, interoperability protocols, and collaboration frameworks. They should encourage the adoption of open standards and interoperable software solutions to ensure seamless integration across different stages of the project lifecycle. Moreover, fostering industry-wide collaboration and knowledge sharing is vital to drive the adoption of information modeling guidelines. Governments, industry associations and academia should join forces to develop training programs, share best practices and promote research and development in this field. This collaborative effort will not only accelerate the implementation of information modeling, but also cultivate a culture of innovation and continuous improvement. And inclusion, according to the participants, the tunneling and mining sector stands to gain immense benefits from embracing information modeling. By leveraging its capabilities, we can achieve improved project visualization, enhanced collaboration, optimized planning, elevated safety standards, and efficient asset management. Let us strive to establish robust information modeling guidelines specific to the mining sector and work together to harness the full potential of this transformative technology. Together we can pave the way for a safer, more sustainable and prosperous future in tunneling and mining. Thank you.
Thank you very much.